Women100 is a joint initiative between Near Neighbours, Citizens UK and different faith organisations in Tower Hamlets. This is a group of women who came together because we believe that women's leadership is very important, and we believe that women remain the untapped potential in this local community, and we know that they can achieve great and fantastic things if they come together. So we are here to equip them with the tools of community organising to make things happen better for us, better for our families and better for our communities.
By 2020, we want to train up 220 women from different faiths, cultures and backgrounds. And our hope is that they will then unite the communities, bring the different communities together, strengthen the power within their own institutions.
I think Women100 is important because we all know that local women have something to say, that they have something to give and they want to create change in their community. But the difference with Women100 is that we're coming together. We're going to do it together, we're going to make a difference, we're going to talk about the issues in our community and we're going to act. But we need each other for that.
Women100 was an amazing workshop. I got to network with women from diverse backgrounds, with diverse organisations. It's an amazing opportunity for anybody who's looking to build their communities.
Women100 gave me a valuable lesson, and it helped me realize that my voice matters as well. It helped me realize that I can make a change in this world just if I do it the right way. And also making these connections with other women, like from other age groups and other ethnicity, is also something that I will be taking with me. So thank you.
Women100 training was really important for elevating a range of different women from wherever they are in their careers.
Things I have taken away from the Women100 training include realising the potential and the power that the women in our community hold, and also the potential of our networks, grassroots connections and listening to everyone's voices.
Through Women100 I have been able to build a better relationship with the mosques, churches and the sisters in the community.
Ramadan, we held an interfaith event to raise money, and we looked after our NHS heroes by sharing iftar with them.
Justice is a really big part of who we are as Women100. We successfully campaigned together to change the school's visitors policy when we learnt that they were not letting in women who were wearing niqab.
We also campaigned to have Iceland to be part of government free school meal scheme.
We campaigned and encourage the community to take the vaccine.
We campaigned for digital inclusion.
We campaigned for more testing centres in Tower Hamlets and for staff to get the living wage. We believe poverty and health are interlinked.
We campaigned together to tackle racial injustice by providing a safe space for women.
We want more women in Parliament and ensuring our issues are on the agenda.
We are so proud to be part of such an amazing programme. Leadership development, social justice is the heart of everything.
100 been able to successfully train 140 leaders. So far they have been actively participating in leading local and national campaigns.
I was pleased to attend the Women100 training in 2019. It was great because it was the evening, it was more flexible for me and I was able to attend after work, and the added bonus was that there was food, so I didn't have to worry about when I was going to eat.
I was able to attend a training with Women100 with my baby because they provided childcare.
Being a final year student at Queen Mary University, my timetable was really full on, but Women100 provided flexibility for me, so I was able to get involved, learn more about my community and learn more about the struggles that women face within our community.